Hey everyone, so today I'm going to walk you through how I made this woodland Christmas tree. I live in a small condo, so it's hard for me to have a conventional tree, and this is what I came up with. Let's get started. I bought these really nice branches, but honestly you can use any type of branch. You're going to want to separate your branches, and I found the easiest way to do this was using scissors and my hands to break them apart, not using the saw. For any rough edges, you can use a sander to sand them down. I happen to have an electric sander, but you can just use sandpaper to sand this down. You're going to want to make sure your branches are fairly straight. You can break off any smaller pieces with your hands, and again, sand off any rough edges. Once you've done this with all of your branches, you can organize them based on size. I'm using my larger branches for the base of the tree and the smaller ones for the top of the tree. Now you're going to want to grab some jute twine. To connect all of my branches, I'm just using one piece of twine. I first grab my branch and wrap the twine around it several times. I then crisscross the twine and pull it through the hole that's created. Once I have this loop, I put it around the branch and secure it tightly. This will ensure that I always have the exact amount of spacing in between each branch. So let's do that one more time. Again, crisscross, pull the twine through, grab that loop, and put it around the branch. Now secure it tightly. You're going to want to repeat this process until you have all of the branches tied together on the right side. I used 13 branches to get my tree to around 4 foot or 120 centimeters in height. The great thing about this project is that you can use anything you have around the house to decorate. I'm making some pom-poms to go on the tree. I think these are super cute and really easy to make. Once you have all the right side of your branches tied together, you can hang up your tree and start working on the left side. You're going to want to follow the same method as before to tie up these branches as well. Tying up the left side of the tree is a little bit more challenging just because the weight is rather unbalanced when you're doing this. So it helps if you have someone there with you or if you're able to secure the string while you're working. Once you've reached the last branch of your tree, you'll want to cut the string and double knot it. I tend to leave smaller spacings for my top branches and larger spacings for my bottom branches. Now you can go in and cut off any excess branches so you have a cleaner looking tree. To hang up my tree, I'm using these command hooks. This won't damage your wall in any way. Now comes the fun part, decorating. So I'm using this really cute green bow for the top of the tree. Originally I tried to light up the tree with the globe lights, but it wasn't bright enough, so I used these fairy lights that I've had forever, and these lights provided the amount of brightness that I was looking for. I think the best part about this tree is that you can use whatever you have on hand to decorate it. If you're looking to create a more woodland theme, you can use pine cones and dried flowers. I think using wooden snowflakes would be a really cool idea as well. My partner gave me this llama ornament, and I think it's just the cutest. It took me about 2 to 3 hours to create this tree, but I'm pretty slow, so I'm sure you'll be able to do it faster than me. I think in total I spent around $20 on this entire project just by using a lot of the items I already had on hand. I'm really happy with how my tree turned out. So if you do try out this project, please let me know. I would love to hear about how your tree turned out and how you decorated it. It's been a long day, so now it's time to light a candle so we can enjoy the rest of our evening with our new Christmas tree. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more DIY projects and cooking videos.